3 island curries, 3 easy wins. Bold flavor, 0 fuss. Let's cook. First up, Jamaican curry chicken. I grab 1 pounds boneless chicken thighs, bite size. Toss with 2 tablespoons Jamaican curry powder. A pinch of allspice. Salt, pepper. Pan on medium-high, a slick of oil. In goes 1 more tablespoon curry powder. Toast it 30 seconds to wake it up. It'll stain golden and smell incredible. Add 1 sliced onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 2 thyme sprigs, a sliver of Scotch bonnet, tiny, it's potent. Soften 2 minutes. Chicken in, sear till lightly browned. Add 1 diced potato, 1 chopped carrot, 2 scallions, and about 1 cup water or stock to just come up the sides. Optional splash of coconut milk for creaminess. Simmer 12-15 minutes till the sauce thickens and the chicken's tender. Finish with a squeeze of lime and more scallion. Serve with white rice. Or roti, sunshine in a bowl. Second, trini, chana, and aloo, chickpeas and potatoes, hearty and vegan. Pan on medium. Mix 1 tablespoons Trinidad-style curry powder with a splash of water to make a paste. Add to hot oil and burn the curry 45 seconds. Darken slightly, smells nutty. Stir in 1 chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, gira, and a knob of grated ginger. Optional, a touch of Scotch bonnet. Tip in 2 medium potatoes peeled and cubed, and 1 can drain chickpeas. Salt, pepper. Coat everything in that curry mix. Add 1 cups water, cover, and simmer 15 minutes, stirring now and then until the potatoes are soft and the sauce is thick and clingy. Finish with chopped cilantro or culantro and a squeeze of lime, perfect with bus-up shut, or rice. Third, Caribbean curry shrimp, fast, silky, weeknight hero. Pat dry 1 pound peeled shrimp, season with salt, pepper, 1 teaspoon curry powder, and a touch of paprika. Pan on medium-high, oil in, sauté 1 sliced onion, 2 garlic cloves, thyme, and a few slices of bell pepper for sweetness. 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon curry powder, toast 20 seconds. Pour in 3/4 cup coconut milk and a splash of water. Simmer 2 minutes. Shrimp go in. They cook in 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as they curl and turn pink, kill the heat. Don't overdo it. Finish with lime zest, chopped scallion, and a tiny knob of butter for shine. Spoon over rice or plantains. Quick tips. Curry powders vary. Jamaican leans turmeric and allspice. Trini has deeper roasted gira notes. Taste and adjust salt, heat, and acid with lime. There you go. 3 island curries, all doable tonight. Grab a pot, turn up the tunes, and let the kitchen smell like vacation.